Nazira of ninth standard from SBD. I am going to deliver my speech on a describe accident. Road accidents have become very common nowadays due to increasing population, number of automobiles and modes of transport are also increased. People are careless and do not know about traffic rules and unexpectedly meet accident. There are many news about horrible accident cause a huge loss to the life. Even those people walk on footpath are not safe due to increasing accident. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Nazira Khatun from 9th standard from SBD. Today I am here to deliver a speech on child labor. Child labor has been most important concern in the world because it affects the children both mentally and physically. It also destroys the future of the children. Child Labor Act 1986, it defines a child as a person who has not completed the age of 14 years. Every child is considered as a gift of God and it must be nurtured with care and affection with family and society. But due to social economic problems, children will be forced to work in industries, leather factories, hotels and self-service restaurants. The child labor is not a small economic problem in our society. So, to eliminate child labor, we should focus on the social economic problems of our society. As we know, India is one of the foremost countries in Asia and has about 33 million children employed in various forms of child labor. The government should give certain right to education and prohibit child labor, like no child below the age of 6 to 14 years shall be employed in any factories or for any hazardous work. There are many conditions of being a child labor like debt, poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, etc. Poverty is one of the major problems in our society. Would you like to ask any question related to my topic?
Yes. What is the opinion to stop child labor?
According to me, I would like to conclude by saying the remedy is only in the hands of government. He should take the major steps to get rid of poverty by giving employment to the children of poor parents and so on.
According to you, who is responsible for such condition of children?
According to me, we all are responsible for being a child labor because in our society people paying more attention on money than anything else. He should paying more attention on money than even humanity is secondly. So that what are the harmful effects of the people who live in the footpath?
People who live in footpath are not safe due to increasing accident. Sometimes accident destroy his life, their life and their house.
What are the main causes of accident?
The main causes of accident: over speeding, avoiding helmet and seat belt, drunken driver, overload and thank you.